He is now a mature stag. So meaning to say, this stag developer contains pellets as well as grains. It has a high percentage of protein that helps them to develop more their muscles and heavy bones. Since this is a oriental fowls, malalaki po talaga sila, and their muscles and bones as well as their body are craving for this pellets and grains, which has the high percentage of proteins. And aside from those products that I mentioned, marami pa talaga, such as salto maintenance. Then salto maintenance is intended for those fighting cats na na-record natin. So while they are waiting for their time to shine, nasa cording area lang sila, and then we are feeding them with the salto maintenance. What is good with the salto maintenance? It is formulated na mga nutrients and minerals sa ating mga corded stags or even bull stags and cats, na hindi po sila ma-overweight pag na-feed natin po sa kanila yan. And before I forget, I will introduce to you my brood cat. Ito po siya. And he is another strain of Shamo. And then, imimate po siya sa aking Belgian na broodhen. And then, ipapakita ko po in a while yung aking broodhen. Ito po. And heavy bones, football shape, maganda pong pang brood cat. And this is my pure Belgian na broodhen. At imimate po siya sa brood cat na pinakita ko a while ago na pure Shamo. And then, I'm using the Gallimax 21. Ito po yung pellets na ginagamit ko. Ma-recognize nyo din na Gallimax 21. It's because yung kulay niya is yellow. Other term nito is yellow ochre yung kulay niya. And then it really improves the fertility ng mga itlog, at then the same time yung egg production. Before, minimum lang yung naipoproduce na mga itlog niya, but when I use the Gallimax 21, naging maximum po yung egg production ng aking broodhen na ito. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell button so that you will be updated whenever I have brand new videos in my YouTube channel as well as in my Facebook page. And for comments and suggestion, please leave a message below sa aking mga YouTube videos as well as in my Facebook page. And we cannot end this video without the proper shout out. And first on the list, Jel Belguera Barcena from San Rafael, Iloilo, Jobert Bisnar, Mark Anthony Villaruel from Calibo, Rodel Montojo, Chanli Moto, my new subscriber, Alfred Antinorio, Paul De Rosario Recto, Dustin Oliver Chudosio, Pax Warhead, Rowin Bruce Alos from La Trinidad, Benguet, Bulak Shamo from Lanao del Sur, Grupo Himakas from Cabatuan, Aguya Lines, June Villas from Hamindan, Jeffrey Gora Jugarap, breeder of Concepcion, Iloilo, John Serge Vigil Agting from Antique Bugasong, yes, Antique Bugasong, regards Serge, Mark Anthony Villaruel, already mentioned, Melvin Caliga, Mark Angelo Pama from San Enrique, Iloilo, Melvin Caliga, Rafi Dikay, breeder of Cotabato, Kenneth Apelias, Jericho Velarde, and last but not the least, Adilo Vasquez from Bohol. And for those who wish na ma-shout out ko, please leave a message below sa aking YouTube videos as well as in my Facebook page. And once again, this is Lima Acel Shamo, and God bless everyone.